Hi, welcome to Sunil Maths tutorial. In this video, we solve a problem from complex analysis. This is a question from CSIRNet from 2018. I think either June or December, I forgot it. So let us see the problem. Let gamma of t is equals to 3 e power it and 0 less than or equals to t less than or equals to 2 pi be the positively oriented circle of radius 3. It is a positively oriented circle of radius 3 centered at origin. Then the value of lambda for which this condition holds, integral over gamma lambda by z minus 2 dz is equals to integral over gamma z square minus 5z plus 4 dz is equals to what? So these integrals are equivalent to one another. Integral over gamma lambda by z minus 2 dz is equals to integral over gamma 1 by z square minus 5z plus 4 dz. You have to find the value of lambda. You have to find the value of lambda. This is a question from part B. This is a question from part B. It means there is only one correct option and the remaining options are wrong. Observe that. So here the very important thing is the radius of the circle is 3. The radius of the circle is 3. That is the very important point here. Right. Gamma of t is equals to 3 e power t and radius is equals to 3. By using radius 3, I draw a circle. Observe that here. So centered at origin, having radius 3 units. So it is very clear. It is very clear. 2 is internal point of the circle. 2 is internal point of the circle. 1 is also internal point of the circle. Means 1 and 2 lies inside the circle. 1 and 2 lies inside the circle. So the left side, integral over gamma lambda by z minus 2 dz can be written as 2 pi I into lambda into residue of f of z at z is equals to 2. The right side can be written as it is very simple factorization z minus 1 into z minus 4. Here we have two singular points 1 and 4. 1 lies inside the circle and 4 lies outside the circle. So in the left side we have, by applying residue formula, 2 pi I into lambda into limit z tends to 2, z minus 2 into 1 by z minus 2. These z minus 2 get cancelled. So left side becomes 2 pi I into lambda only. At the same time, here also 2 pi I get cancelled. So by applying the same residue formula on the right side also, 2 pi I into 2 pi I into residue of f of z at z is equals to 1. We find the residue at z is equals to 1 only because z is equals to 4 lies outside the circle. So now 2 pi I get cancelled on both the sides. So lambda into 1 is equals to residue formula. Residue of f of z at z is equals to 1 is equals to limit z tends to 1 z minus 1. Here what is f of z? This fraction 1 by z minus 1 into z minus 4. So z minus 1 get cancelled. By applying limit z tends to 1 by z minus 4, we get 1 by 1 minus 4. So lambda is equals to minus 1 by 3. Lambda is equals to minus 1 by 3. Option A is the correct option. Here radius is equals to 3. That is the important point. By using residue theorem, this integral is equivalent to 2 pi I into residue of f of z at z is equals to 2, because this 2 lies inside the circle. That's it. And here we factorize this term, z square minus 5z plus 4, z square minus 5z plus 4 can be written as z minus 1 into z minus 4. Z minus 4 clearly lies outside the circle, but 1 lies inside the circle. So this integral can be written as 2 pi I into residue of the function f of z at z is equals to 1. So what is f of z here? 1 by z square minus 5z plus 4. That's it. You simplify, you get minus 1 by 3 is the correct option. Keep learning. Wish you all the best.